Hey everybody, it's great to see you. The power of video and seeing each other is awesome, and it's great, and I've really enjoyed it. But some of you haven't quite figured out the rules and how to use Zoom properly. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of a primer of the do's and, more importantly, the don'ts of Zoom. There are some real benefits of working from home. One of those is snacks and lunches readily available. The beauty of that is you can sit and work and eat. But on Zoom, we don't really want to see the food eater. As we go 100 miles an hour, trying to get as much done as we possibly can, especially at month end, you're multitasking, and we understand that. But on Zoom, we really don't want to see the typer. No, I'm listening. Yeah, totally paying attention. We get it. You have family, you have dogs, cats, doorbells ringing. I get why you want to put it on mute while you're listening on a call. But not everybody remembers to turn the mute button off when they're talking. Listen, I get it. We're not used to using the camera function on our laptops very often. Not everybody understands the concept of cleaning their lens. You guys can see me okay, right? The screen looks a little blurry. Wow, the weather is finally turned in Arizona and it's beautiful outside. But some people decide that the best time to have a Zoom call is to walk around outside. And it's not the best thing to do if you're a walker on Zoom. So the call I had was just kind of really interesting and productive, I thought. One of the common mistakes in a Zoom meeting is lighting. Not everybody understands the concept that you want the lights on the side of you or in front of you, not behind you. When I look at the direction of where things are headed, I like it a lot, and I think that, I don't know, I just feel like I'm, beaming with excitement. Hey, I get it. There's times when you just have to go to the bathroom. It's so convenient and it's right there. But doing it while on a Zoom call is probably not the best idea. Yeah, no. I don't know why there's an echo. Yeah, it's kind of weird. Yeah. All right, hold on, mute. Hey, I hope you've enjoyed our tips and tricks for Zoom and are a little smarter and wiser the next time you get on a Zoom call. With that, have a great week, and I look forward to seeing you online.